Hi, first of all, I wanted to point out and remind you guys where I am posting all of these videos that I'm making. I am under groups and then middle school students. And once you're on the middle school student group, if you click in topics, you'll find this area right here, resources for multimedia projects. And if you scroll down, you'll see all of these resources that I've added for you and a whole bunch of tutorial videos. As I make more, I'm going to be adding them to this area. So right now, I want to talk to you about one of the methods that you can use for creating a screencast. So QuickTime is a program that is already installed on your Mac. So there's nothing to install, it's already there. And so if I click on QuickTime, I can come up here to File, and I can click New Screen Recording. The other thing I can do is I can long press on this, and again I can click New Screen Recording. It's the same thing. So once I have that, I can actually begin recording my screencast. So there we are. You will see this little thing right here, and as I talk, you can see that the sound waves are actually picking up my voice. That's important. If you don't see that movement, make sure that you have this internal microphone selected, unless you've got something else like a USB mic or something like that. In order to begin recording, I have to click the little red dot. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then it says click to record the full screen or drag to record part of the screen. So I could, for example, if I just wanted to record this part of the screen, I could actually click and drag and so forth, and then I would hit the start recording button. Now, and I can tell that I'm recording because I can see this little black dot right up here in my screen. And so that means my screen is being recorded. So let's say I found this wonderful resource here. I am in Infobase under Ancient and Medieval History, and I want to record just a few seconds of this clip for the video that I'm making for my class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here again. I'm going to long press, click New Screen Recording, and if I click here, I'm going to click to record just this part of the screen that shows. So I'm going to do this. And there I am. And by the way, one trick, you can't be in full screen mode or this feature doesn't work. A lot of people get stuck with that. So make sure you're not in full screen mode. Now I'm going to click Start Recording. And now I'm recording, but the video is not playing. So I have to come down here and I have to be quiet, turn up my sound.
Now legend has it that Poseidon, god of the sea, and Athena, goddess of wisdom, each came
Now,
to the
if I started
Acropolis
talking,
to compete for the patron.
it's going to pick up my voice. So you see how that works. And when I am finished, I just click my QuickTime player. I come up here to this little black dot. I finish. And there is the video that I just recorded. Just a few seconds, enough to add a little bit of interest to my video. I recorded 34 seconds, but I'm not going to use all of that. Let's play what we watched. Now I'm going to turn down my sound. So that's the part I would use. Starting here, maybe ending right there. So we're talking maybe 9 or 10 seconds of this video. So that is one way of getting a screencast, is to use QuickTime Player, which is already installed on your Mac. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use Screencastify, and that would be, the only difference would be if you want to have your face, like you see my face, down in the corner of the screen, which is pretty effective. It gives your audience a chance to connect with the person who's speaking to them, rather than just a voiceover. Then use Screencastify, and that's another program I'll show you next.